Mom, where are we?
Universal.
Bubba, what are we on?
Hogwarts is
No puking pastels.
Hey, is your Bluetooth on?
Mine?
Yeah.
I think so. I'm recording out the window. I'm gonna put this. Oh, that's cute.
It's a birdie.
I'm gonna put this on my YouTube.
On Google Photos no more? Like, say your Google
Yes,
Photos?
I did it. You have to go to Google Photos.
Hey Dad, can you sit back? I wanna try and get the
I
video.
already got the one you did.
No, but you upload, I uploaded that one. I'm trying to give Addie hers.
It's getting dark out there.
Let's find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food trolley? Marnie, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong.
There's people
Food
right
is
there.
the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gump's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
How did it make the lights in the train flicker?
No, but just watch over there. Don't move.
That's ominous.
It's on me.
Oh, thank you, Mary.
I'm okay. Okay. That was brilliant.
Okay, Chad, you put the phone down
Dementors
there.
on the Hogwarts
Hang on,
Express.
okay.
Foul, miserable creatures.
2,
Something from the
3,
trolley,
1,
dear.
4,
I'd say
3,
he earned it.
2,
Hey, shot me frogs.
Oh dear. Let's get back to your seats again.
Chocolate frogs.
Up these little corners.
Can we get him?
Hagrid!
Dragon's breath.
Oh, he's back. Alright, we're good.
Dragon's breath. Dad was right. I didn't realize he used the dragon's breath.
Flying car.
Yeah, that's from the second movie.
So exciting when we get there, buddy.
Not even finished with the book.
I know. The second